Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I want to give you an update on what happened at our Faculty Council meeting on February 8 at East Campus 5112 from 2 to 5 p.m. So we started off with our hellos to see how everyone's doing. Remember, all of your council members are located here just by clicking on that. Then we went over the what's going on, and on that page, again, please invite me if there's any coffee and donuts that you'd like for your group. I'll be happy to come visit you. If we can set that up. It's Black History Month, nationally recognized speaker, VALIC session, spring job fair, get the safety app, and then there's the counseling spring newsletter. Then I wanted to share with everybody this is kind of a rough draft of my agenda, meetings that I go to, just to get an idea of all the different things that are going on at Valencia College. And if you have any questions on any of them, please don't hesitate to ask. Also, there's some agendas and some information there, but this is a typical month of meetings that I attend. And then the January agenda is here if you want to go back and see that. Remember, one of the big highlights from January's meeting, if there's any faculty members that feel unsafe, please contact security. You can contact Mike Favorite at his office number or cell phone number. So please contact him or let me know if I can help in any way. And we're working with student affairs, so I appreciate that. Then make sure you get the Valencia app. I have it. It's here. Please, please, please get the Valencia app. It is basically having one of those blue buttons on your phone. You download it right there and you have access to it. There's other great features like friend walk, emergency contacts, reporting a tip, virtual walk home, all those things. Please download the app. Then we talked about the online assessment. So if you haven't taken the online assessment, please do. It's in the agenda, in the link, so please check that out. We're basically trying to see what we can do to better serve our faculty here and how we're doing as a council. So please check that. It really help us. And we have a big request for faculty. So please, please, please nominate yourself. Nomination forms are available here. We're looking for the next Vice President of Faculty Association, College-Wide Student Activity Fee Budget Committee, Endowed Chair Selection Committee, Faculty Association Awards Selection Committee, Grievance Committee, Commencement Faculty Marshals, Faculty Data Analysis Person, a College-Wide Ombuds Representative, and Faculty Compensation Advisory Team. Please check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, but we need your help. Then we went and we voted to endorse the ethical conduct and performance policy. It was unanimous. The policy's here, the changes are here. This will go to the board in February. So please check that out. The ethical conduct and performance policy was updated by a group, and all the information is here on how the process went. I also informed everyone of the final exam change proposal. This is just a proposal, so if you click here, you'll see what the proposal is. But basically, during final exam week, we have 1 day that you give your final in 2.5 hours. This proposal is saying during final exam week, we have another week. You can have, for example, if you normally teach Monday, Wednesdays from 10 to 11:15, during finals week, you would have Monday and Wednesday from 10 to 11:15. You could split up your final into 2 days. You could have a review. You could do project presentations. But instead of 1 2.5 hour block, you would have the 2 classes just like the rest of the semester. It's just a proposal, and we like your feedback. So if you click on this form right here, you can provide your feedback directly to us to see what you think. Okay, and then we had a wonderful presentation from Lisa Schelfelfer and Jeannie and Wendy Du on the ROC. This is the final draft of the ROC. The presentation's here with wonderful data of all the feedback they received and how they processed the feedback. And then now you have the final draft of the ROC. So this is here. Please look through it. Double, triple check it. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback on it. Next Faculty Council meeting, we'll be voting to endorse this based on your feedback. So please let us know to see how we proceed. There is the ROC, the course peer review final draft. So please check those out. Let me know if you have any questions at all. We had a presentation on academic integrity. We decided based on feedback and the academic integrity group, and we endorsed that we're going with, let's see all the information here, that we're going with VeriCite for our plagiarism tool in Canvas. Then we had a presentation on Canvas, which was a great presentation, ton of information. So please check this out on the dates. Canvas goes live on May 2nd. faculty will stop having access to Blackboard May 31st, but it will be archived, so you can contact someone for help if you need to get anything from the Blackboard course after May 31st, but really May 31st, try to get all your stuff out, all your resources, everything you need, and the Canvas webinars will end on June 15, but a ton of other resources. Please check all this out, and some great tips for Canvas that is available to you. Then we had a conversation on international students. There's a wonderful presentation here that you can click on to find more about our international students here at Valencia. We're very proud to have our international students, but there is an issue that they brought to faculty where if a faculty member gives an international student a W and they fall under the amount of credits they're supposed to have, they can be forced to leave the country. So we want to tell faculty, please consider working with the international students. If they deserve a W, what the options are. Maybe they deserve an F, what the options are. But again, we're looking here. This is your advising team. Please contact them. And some feedback. If you have some ideas on how to help international students, please put your feedback here. We got an OIT report from John Slott. OIT is growing. But we want to manage that growth and where everything is and what the resources are. And even though they may lose some funding, they still want to move forward and prioritize. So please check that out, the presentation there. And here's a link to, they updated the technology purchasing policy, so I wanted to share that here. Then we went around the room to see how everyone's doing. All the campuses seems to be doing pretty well, but if there's anything that you would like to contact me about, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be happy to help, and we're always looking for engagement opportunities like the coffee and donuts and ways that we can interact. But again, if there's anything I can do, please contact me. Thank you.